One sunny day, four animal friends gathered in the jungle for a fun picnic. Brought fish sandwich, but someone already licked them. Oh, I thought they were mine. I bought peanuts. What were they? They are in my tummy now, Opus. Haha. Let's play a game. Who can roar the loudest? Meow is also a roar, just cuter. I win if the game is about the biggest belly. No fear, I only have feathers. Let's race to the tree. But you have tiny legs. I will fly instead of running. I win already. Wait, no flying allowed. I think I dip it in jelly. That's my foot cream, not jelly. Let's just eat and laugh. No more games. As long as no one eat me. And so the funny friends spent the best picnic ever, full of food, fun and laughter. Thanks for watching.